y'all, JazzJanay here, and welcome to my channel. My channel focuses on natural hair, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in any of those things, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and join the fam. So today, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing slash review of a certain product. So I want to thank Firmoo Optical for sponsoring today's video. We got a sponsorship, y'all. Firmoo Optical reached out to me a couple of weeks ago and wanted to send me a free pair of glasses for me to review for you guys, and I will show you guys at the end of the video how you can also get a free pair of glasses from Firmoo Optical. So stay to the end, you'll see how. A little bit about Firmoo Optical. They are a online based company. They have over 600 plus styles of glasses and sunglasses for men, women, and kids. So anybody can go on there and get them a very nice pair of glasses, if I do say so myself. These glasses are super affordable. They're super stylish, and you can find anything to match your vibe. That's their motto, that's their slogan, and I feel like I found a pair of glasses that literally match my vibe. The good thing about Firmoo Optical, all you have to do is just go get your prescription from your doctor, go get your eyes checked, and it's easy as 1, 2, 3. You just type in the numbers of your prescription, choose what upgrades you want to your lenses. Sometimes they do blue light upgrade, like blue light protection and all that. Like, you can do whatever you want. It'll be a little extra charge, but not as much as it will be if you go to a real eyeglass place. So usually on glasses, I usually spend like probably like $400 on 2 pair of glasses with the lenses included, and that's a lot. Who wants to spend that much on some glasses? I know I don't. And even though it's for me to see and go about daily life, I would like to save a little bit of coin. So Firmoo Optical, they do just that. So I'm going to show you guys the glasses that I got, and then towards the end of the video, I'll let you know how you can get your own free pair of Firmoo Optical glasses. So the glasses came in this nice packaging. Let's turn it down. Had some very nice packaging. It says Firmoo on the box, and it just slides open like that. I love a sleek, simple packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. So you just open it up, and then inside of the box it comes with different coupons and offers. So I have 2 coupons right here for 50% off of glasses. I will be ordering from them again, so I'll probably do a review on those as well. And then it also has some instructions on how to maintain eye health, adapting to new glasses, and a clean and care instructions on here. So that's all that comes with the package. So the glasses come inside of this cleaning cloth and pouch. It doubles as a cleansing cloth for your glasses, and I really like how innovative that is. Really not protective, but you can find your own cute protective case, but I do like that it's also a cleaning cloth. And these are the glasses. They are so nice. They have gold detailing on the side right here, leopard print frames. Very, very nice. I'm just going to clean them a little bit with the cleansing cloth. So these are how the glasses look on me. Very nice, very stylish. I love these glasses, y'all. They are so light. They fit my face perfectly, okay? Like, they don't slide off or anything like that. And I didn't even try these on like at all when I was ordering them, because of course you can't. It's an online based company. One thing about them, you can upload a selfie to their website, and you can try on any pair of glasses that you want. So that's what I did, trying to see which one will look good with my face shape, and I think I did a pretty good job. So I really like how sleek and fashionable it looks. It doesn't make me like a nerd or anything like that. I really love the style, and I feel like it definitely fits my vibe. So if you guys want your own pair of free Firmoo glasses, I will give you a coupon code right here. Firmoo Optical is offering a free pair of glasses exclusively to its first time customers. So all you have to do is use the coupon code OFF, and I will put it right here, and I will also put the link down below in my description box. Make sure you check that out for a free pair of glasses. The only thing that you will have to pay is for shipping, and shipping is like $4.99. So you're getting a pair of prescription glasses for $4. That is quite a steal, and who would want to give up that? So make sure you hit that link down below. Get you some glasses, girl, so we can slay and see all 2020 and for the rest of 2021. God, please let it be good to us. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks so much Firmoo Optical for sponsoring today's video. Mwah. Bye.